For what seems like a generation, the economy has struggled. People in all walks of life are experiencing tough times with no clear way out. Examples of inequality and injustice continue to dominate the news, making personal success seem even less possible in a world that's increasingly unfair. Young people are underemployed and in debt, and those at retirement age aren't financially prepared to retire. Well, what if I told you everything can change? It can. Social, technological, and economic trends are changing everything, creating a new economy based on disruptive innovation and a financial opportunity for those who take action. Get in front of the trends and be a part of disrupting an industry by joining Legal Shield.
There's never been a more exciting time in Legal Shield. I light up when I think about it.
We have a disruptive business model that's really shifting the way business is done. Look at how Uber changed the taxi industry, Amazon changed the book industry, and Netflix changed the way we watch movies. Imagine what your life would look like today if you had positioned yourself to profit from the change in those industries. Well, Legal Shield is doing the exact same thing to the legal services industry.
There's a lot of transformation that if I had gotten involved with, I would be completely very wealthy right now. Luckily for us, we found Legal Shield. And this is our opportunity. This is us getting in front of something. So I missed a lot of other opportunities, but we're right in front of Legal Shield, setting an example of what's possible on a part-time basis so that other people will realize that this is a huge opportunity.
So many are searching for ways to make more money, and Legal Shield provides that opportunity. As a pioneer of the sharing economy, we disrupted the legal services industry, providing affordable access to the justice system. And we've used the same model to provide comprehensive identity theft protection and restoration services. Today, our services and leading-edge technology create a unique business opportunity for you.
Society has caught up to our concept. I mean, let's be honest, it's a gig economy. You know, people are looking for different ways to bring in extra money. People have finally accepted what we've been telling them for years, that a job is a great place to start, but a bad place to finish.
If there is a better way and this is it, why not check it out? And to be your own boss, but then you don't have the headaches, the paperwork, the overhead, the employees, the hassles of having a traditional business. This is the perfect business.
To put it simply, Legal Shield is an opportunity for you to have and do more. Travel the world, volunteer in your community, spend more time with family and friends. Whatever you want to do, with Legal Shield, you can achieve the freedom necessary to do it.
We have a 5- and a 6-year-old, so as a mom, I just love being able to work from home. And the cool thing is I can work when I want. I could be at the park taking a phone call, walking someone through my website, and they sign up, and then I get paid the very next day. I can work when I want, or I can play with the kids when I want.
I get to dictate my own time schedule. I get to dictate my own income. I get to live life truly on my own terms because it's not someone else's dream that I'm living, it's my own.
I was able to go from being a real estate agent on the sales treadmill for the rest of my life, got started up in a part-time business from home with Legal Shield a few hours a week, and in my first year, I was able to replace that income, and ever since for the last 17 years, I've been a stay-at-home dad with my son, I've been a stay-at-home entrepreneur with my business, and I live life on my own terms.
How do you put a price tag on helping other people fire their bosses, drive their dream cars, go on vacations, right? Be able to spend time with their families. It's amazing. We've set so many business partners of mine free from a traditional corporate America job.
First thing I saw was a financial opportunity to better my life. And I think it's just so beautiful that throughout the process of realizing that dream, I was able to see that I was changing a lot of lives from the product perspective. And the higher purpose really is to make the world a better place. It sounds kind of cheesy or corny, but that's actually what we're doing.
Every North American just like you needs our services. And our innovative apps put the services in the palm of your hand. There's never been a more exciting time in Legal Shield because we are positioned for massive growth, and you can be a part of that growth. Our mobile apps and professional tools make it easy for you to share our services with others. That's the gig. Start part-time, follow a proven system, and you determine your earning potential. Now is the time to do what so many others have already done. Start your own Legal Shield business. For more information and to learn the multiple ways to create income in today's economy with Legal Shield, get back with the person who shared this video.